Hey guys, we received this Kimrock battery free wireless doorbell. No batteries required for test and try. Easy installation, 600 feet range, 38 chimes with the adjustable volume, waterproof for classroom, home or outside use. So this is I'm just doing the unboxing first. So this is the button. So very nice classic big size button. This can be go like outside or wherever you want to put. Also comes with this sticky pad that you can easily use to install this. So this back cover as well that I will take later on, and this is the electric kind thing that goes into your home. So inside home you can just put in there and you can see all the different chimes here that you can use, and you can easily change the tone or the volume. This is the button. So it's a nice quality overall and nice feel. There is no battery required for the button, only the electric power for the chime. So this is a great thing, connected well, and you just press this and it will generate the power, and very nice effect. So this is a really great thing because I always use with the battery, the button thing, but I never used or tried a battery free one. So this is a really nice thing, so you don't need to change the batteries. So here you can just change, take out this cover, put it with the screws or the sticky pad, and then you can install this wire on the top. So pretty nice thing and very nice sound volume, very nice wireless doorbell.